Hello everyone, it's my pride pleasure to introduce myself. Well, I'm Kaval Kohari. I have done my Masters in Economics and BA too. An amicable welcome to my history class. Hello everyone. Hello students. We are going to start today geography. Chapter number 2, location and extent. Let's start with. Now see students, I'm not here to go into the detail of the chapter. We are just going to take some important topics of your geography textbook, which I feel so considers to be very important. May come for fill-ups, may come for your objective type questions. So I'm just here to revise your syllabus as per the board's rules. Few hints and the flags of the two countries are given below. See students, near my screen, two flags are given. One is of our country India and another one is of Brazil. Okay. Now when we go into this, few hints and flags of two countries are given below. आप देख ही सकते हो flag of our country as well as the flag of Brazil. Using them, हमें इस flags को use करना है. Then identify these two countries. First of all, you should identify. So as per my knowledge, you will be easily able to identify. This flag belongs to our country, India, right? हमारा देश. And when we talk about the another one, it belongs to Brazil. Okay. Then using them, identify these two countries. You can easily identify one of them. Actually, you can easily identify both of them, and hope you can easily identify the other two also. Now let us go through the clues. Some clues are given over here, right? So with the help of these clues, we are going to solve it. Now see, when we talk about India, the second largest populated country in the world after China is India. In India, 1.38 billion approximately is the population. When we talk about second largest overpopulated country in the world, India is famous for large number of the spices. You know, जो हमारा देश है, from here large number of the spices are exported all over the world. And as you all know that cricket is a very popular sport over here. Large number of the Indians are keenly interested to play the cricket. So this is something about our country, India. Okay, now let's start with the Brazil. Brazil is famous for samba dance. Students, you might be thinking, what does India is famous for? India is famous for Kathakali, Bharatnatyam, and Brazil is famous for samba dance. Brazil is known as coffee pot of the world. You might be thinking, why Brazil is known as coffee pot of the world? Because students, 40% of the coffee exports goes from the Brazil to various country. It's 40%, right? Then football. When we talk about the football is a very popular sport in Brazil. Brazil में football is very popular sport. Now I will show you both the countries' maps for your easy understanding. Let us have a look over here. Okay students, now this is very important. You may get the 4 marks question related to maps, so you should be very careful in the map. When we talk about India, so see, first let us talk about our neighboring countries. Which are the neighboring countries of India? So see, when we talk about Pakistan, right? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China. Then when we talk about Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, okay, Bangladesh. Then wait just for a single minute. See, Sri Lanka. Okay, these all are our neighboring countries. Now let us talk about the states of India in real sense. In our country, how many states we have? 28 states and 9 union territories we have. Okay, let us have a glance towards our state, students. Chalo, let us have a glance. Now see, when we talk about over here, first let's start from our state, Maharashtra, which came into existence on 1st May 1960. Dekho, here it lies Maharashtra, right? Here it's Karnataka, Kerala. Then when we talk about over here, it's Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Okay, wait for a single minute. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, right? Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. When we talk about here, West Bengal, Odisha is over here, Assam lies over here. Okay, in this way, not only this, let me give you some information about the oceans also. Now see, here it lies Bay of Bengal, here it lies Arabian Sea. Okay, so and here it lies Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, then here it lies Indian Ocean. Here it lies Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, here its active volcano is also there at Andaman. Thank you.